is a past paper question. It's hypothesis testing involving binomial, and it's from the 2022 summer paper from CCEA, and it's A2 applied maths. Let's take a look at what they're asking. The organiser of a large sporting competition believe that 15% of the athletes involved are taking a banned performance enhancing substance. The journalist suggests the number is more than 15%. The organiser wishes to investigate the journalist's claim. Random of 20 athletes is taken and tested for the banned substance. 6 of the athletes in the sample are found to have taken the banned substance. Test the journalist claimed at the 5% level. So we want to set up our hypothesis. Obviously H0 is that it's 15%. So the probability then is 0.15. H1 then he reckons it's higher than that, so it would be probability of greater than 0.15. That then tells me that it's one-tailed at the 5% level. I think it said 5% level. Yeah. We're going to then let x equal the number of athletes. I can't spell athletes. Who test positive, and then our distribution is going to be a binomial distribution. The sample size is 20 and my probability is 0.15. That's under then H0. We're looking to see if 6 or greater is in that top 5%. 6 of the athletes are kind of found, so we want to work out the probability of x greater than or equal to 6. That's the same as 1 minus the probability of x less than or equal to 5. So again, you can sit and write all these things out, but these days with our calculator we should be able to work that out. So see if we can bring this up on our calculator. I forgot to unpause, so I've kind of finished the whole thing, but let's see if we go menu and 7 and we scroll down and I press there number 1, and then I want to hit variable, so that's number 2. And my x value is going to be, we want 5 or fewer, so we put in our 5 here and then equals, my n is 20 and then it's 0.15, and so I hit equals and I get 0.93269. so 0.93269, remember it's 1 minus because we want 6 or above, and that's 0.0673. We needed this value to be less than 5% up at that wee top end, but since 0.0673 is greater than 0.05, we do not reject the H0, and there is insufficient evidence at the 5% level that more than 15% of the athletes take a banned substance.